gonna get some. I'm gonna get me one of them. Get me one of them. Okay, sorry. I just get into the music and I get lost. You guys know this because you know me. We know each other. Anyway.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G. Happy New Year! Like, this is the first time you guys have seen my face all year. Yes, because my last post with face was back in November. But anyway, ciao. So if you watched my last video I posted about my nails, you heard the story that I was unwell, and I am literally just now getting back to being okay. I was down bad, and she brought the New Year's in the bed. So your girl was unwell, but I'm okay now. I am here, ready to give you guys what I'm about to give you, okay? So with that being said, I received an Amazon gift card from work, and they gave these to us months ago. I mean, like maybe October-ish, maybe. And I was like, I don't really know what to get. The thing is, I went on like an Amazon detox. Like, I'm not gonna keep getting on Amazon buying items. But when your girl can't help it, your girl can't help it. So at that moment, I was like, yeah, I don't know what I want. I'm just not even gonna look for anything. So I never purchased anything with my Amazon gift card until now. So the first thing I purchased is the light. I have now a bigger ring light and I got to get myself set up with it like better, because you know it takes time to get adjusted. So this is trial one. So anybody with any comments, feedback, you can give to me. I'm sorry if the light is bothering you from my glasses, but your girl can't see, so I'm not taking them off. So the first thing I purchased, of course, was the light. Actually, I purchased two things together, and then I forgot that I wanted one more thing, so that I went back and purchased another thing. And yes, they're nail related. So we're gonna open up this package. Don't you hate when it says open here or tear here to open, and you like, we just don't cut it? Yeah. So I purchased this ModelOnes Gel Nail Polish, okay? It's the ModelOnes. That's the name brand. And they're supposed to be like nude colors. I really thought the bottles were gonna be just a little bit bigger. But it's okay, because I have something else. So I have 6 colors, and they're all basically nude. So of course you're gonna see that. I'm gonna go ahead and put them swatches in there so you can see. Like I said, I'm very basic, and I like basic colors because I feel that when you go, me personally, I feel that when you go the basic route, it's the safest route. The next thing I purchased is this Morovan nail set, and I really got this only because of the packaging of the bottles, and I'll let you guys see it. When she opens it up. Shindig. It's cute or whatever. Okay, I know y'all want me to open it. Alright, just open the package. Look at the bottles of the polish. Look at that polish compared to these polishes. Like, is that not the cutest? It's like tubes of lipstick or like lip gloss, My lip gloss is popping. And it's, what's the texture of it? It's not like glass bottle. How about I just keep one out instead of having to keep digging in it? Oh y'all, I gotta get up close with y'all. Y'all see the swatches in a second. But it's like a, I'm not gonna say velvet. What is that, velvet? But it's a texture. It's a textured style bottle. Usually they give you glass bottles or like a glass filled bottle, But this is like a matte texturized bottle. I like it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and start swatching. Okay. right, I hope you guys enjoyed those swatches. And as I said, I'm ready to go back to being basic Tisha instead of Nub Tisha, because Nub Tisha, she doesn't give the scalp what the scalp needs when it's time to scratch it. Y'all, I've been taking bobby pins, scratching my scalp because, I don't know, maybe y'all, I'm sure some of you all understand when I say that. Like, you need nails to scratch the scalp. You need to get into it. Thank you all for watching the video, and make sure you like, comment. That's not my job to say. Make sure you go ahead and listen to Niece Ava, and until I make another video, I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up.